Hello, my name is Michelle and I'm with Interns for Good, and today I'm going to be talking to you about human organ systems. In this presentation, students will learn the functions of multiple organ systems in a human body and what structures make up those systems. This is for students in 6th grade and up, and students will get an understanding of how different organs work together, and they will know how to identify the function of an organ system. There are multiple levels of cellular organization. First is the largest, which is the organism. Then within the organism, there are organ systems. Within the organ systems, there are organs. Organs are made up of tissues, which are collections of cells. And within each cell, there are a bunch of chemicals and molecules. So what is an organ system? Organs work together in organ systems to carry out a specific function. There are 11 organ systems in the human body: the cardiovascular or circulatory system, lymphatic or immune system, digestive, endocrine, muscular, integumentary, nervous, reproductive, respiratory, urinary, and skeletal. The cardiovascular or circulatory system transports oxygen, nutrients, and other substances to cells and transports waste, carbon dioxide, and other substances away from the cells. It also helps stabilize body temperature and pH. Some structures involved in the cardiovascular or circulatory system are the heart, blood, and blood vessels. The lymphatic system helps to defend against infection or disease and transfers lymph between tissues and the bloodstream. Lymph is the fluid containing white blood cells that captures bacteria and brings them to lymph nodes. Structures in the lymphatic system include lymph nodes, lymph vessels, and the spleen. Similar to the lymphatic system is the immune system, which is also used to defend against pathogens and other diseases. Some structures in the immune system are leukocytes, tonsils, adenoids, the thymus, and the spleen. The digestive system processes food and absorbs water, vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Structures in the digestive system include the mouth, esophagus, stomach, exocrine pancreas, small intestine, and large intestine. It's important to note that most nutrient absorption occurs in the small intestine. The endocrine system aids communication throughout the body by using hormones. It also directs long-term change in other organ systems in order to maintain homeostasis. Homeostasis is what every organism tries to achieve, and it is an internal balance that is important for survival. Structures involved in the endocrine system include the pituitary, the thyroid, and adrenals. The muscular system helps with movement, support, and heat production. Structures in the muscular system include skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, and smooth muscles. The integumentary system helps protect against injury and fluid loss, and it includes one of the largest organs in our body, which is our skin. It provides physical defense against infection by microorganisms, and it is involved in temperature control. Structures in the integumentary system include skin, hair, and nails. The nervous system collects, transfers, and processes information and directs short-term change in other organ systems. Structures in the nervous system include the brain, spinal cord, nerves, and sensory organs such as eyes, ears, tongue, skin, and nose. The reproductive system produces gametes and hormones, ultimately producing offspring. Structures in the reproductive system include fallopian tubes and ovaries, which are specific to females, and the prostate, which is specific to males. The respiratory system is used to deliver air to where gas exchange can occur. Structures in the respiratory system include the mouth, nose, pharynx, larynx, bronchi, lungs, etc. The urinary system removes excess waters, salts, and waste from the blood and body, and it controls pH. Structures in the urinary system include the kidneys, urinary bladder, and ureters. The skeletal system provides support and it protects soft tissues. It provides movement at joints. It produces blood cells and it stores minerals. Structures in the skeletal system include bones, cartilage, joints, tendons, and ligaments. Here are some additional links for practice and a video by the Amoeba Sisters going over the organ systems. My name is Michelle Serbin. I love doing all sorts of activities such as playing piano and doing research, and I really hope this video helped.